Hi everybody, Patty Ann here. I have a quick tip for you today. Now this tip is something that I use, but I might recommend that you use it at your own risk because I've not really tested it a lot. But this was something that I was making for a coffee mug, and it's supposed to say Daisy. Look how poor the text is. So what I discovered when I took my blade out was that it was dirty and it had some stuff stuck to it. So I carefully tried to clean it off and I couldn't get it cleaned off. So then I got this little tomato pincushion that I have and I jabbed it in there twice, and whatever it was on there came off. Now I looked up Wikipedia and it was kind of interesting reading about pincushions. I'll have that on my blog, the interesting information. But what I did was, after I cleaned it, I did it 2 more times, 2 different sizes. One's about 1/4 of an inch tall and the other's a little bigger. So let me show you how well it worked after I cleaned it with my little strawberry thing. One lady on the internet says, those strawberry things are not for sharpening anything. How can something like that sharpen something? Okay, this is not going to be easy to weed. Because my letters keep wanting to come up. Okay, there we go. There's the smaller one just about done. And there's the bigger one done. It was easier than I thought. I just need to get the inside out of the D's. And the inside out of the A's. The D. You get the idea. Look how nice and clean those turned out. So I can show you, if I take my transfer tape and put them on a piece of green paper just like my other one, you'll be able to see very clearly how nicely they turned out. I'll get a sheet of this green over here. And pull these off. Love this Cricut transfer tape. It's the light one. I'm not sure why people don't like it because I just don't have a problem with it. Okay. And then, alright, so once you have a clean blade, look at the difference. Here's what it ended up being like. 2 different sizes. And this was my original where I tried to cut it out. It's the same vinyl that I used. So again, I just used this pincushion, the little strawberry thing. I'm not sure that, you should use it very often because there is an abrasive in here, but it did take off the little crumbs of vinyl or whatever were stuck to my blade. So that's it, my quick tip for the day. If you enjoy my videos, please hit it with a thumbs up and share across social media. Thanks you guys. Bye.